Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the water valve for the model 1820-36. Make sure to close your main water valve. Disconnect the power cord. Unscrew the screws holding the compressor plate. Unscrew the screws holding the water valve on the bracket. Label your wire, then disconnect them. Remove the blue pin holding down the water pipe. Press down the water inlet, then pull out the water pipe. Now with your new water valve, make sure to pull out the water inlet and then place the water pipe. Reconnect the wires. Replace the blue pin. Replace the water valve on the bracket. This completes the installation of the new water valve.